The equipment you will need to perform reproducible jointing of Durapipe PLX close fit secondary containment system includes pipe cutter, marking aids, pipe preparation kit, Durapipe isopropanol wipes, pipe protection sleeves, and a Durapipe electrofusion control unit. Mark the outer pipe at 200 mm. Remove the external oxidized surface of the pipe using a hand scraper. The oxidized surfaces must be removed by scraping or peeling. The use of an emery cloth is not sufficient to achieve adequate fusion. Measure the socket depth of the fitting plus an additional 20 mm. Mark this onto the outside of the green pipe using the marker pen. Insert the pipe protection sleeve between the inner PLX and the outer secondary pipe and cut the green pipe. It's important to make sure the pipe is cut clean and square. A wheel cutter is best for this job. The use of a wheel cutter ensures a square cut, swarf-free pipe. Select the correct size mandrel to fit the pipe being prepared. Rotate the mandrel shaft anti-clockwise so that the mandrel expands and firmly grips the inside of the pipe. Measure the socket depth of the fitting plus an additional 10 mm. Mark this onto the outside of the PLX pipe using the marker pen. Place the preparation tool onto the shaft and slide along by depressing the release button to disengage the drive until the cutter tip is aligned with the marked socket depth. Position the cutter tip 1 mm above the pipe surface. Apply the spring tension to the cutter tip. Then rotate the tool clockwise until the cutter has moved over the full length of the pipe. A continuous ribbon of polyethylene material should have been removed. Mark the socket entry depths on all the pipes. Push the fittings onto the pipes. Make sure the closure fittings are positioned on the green secondary containment pipe. Ensure the correct insertion to the marked positions. Repeat for both sockets. Attach reusable terminal adapters to the fitting terminal pins. Connect the leads from the electrofusion control unit to the terminal adapters on the fitting. It does not matter which lead connector is attached to either terminal. Weld the joint. Remove the terminal adapters. Position the secondary closures onto each spigot of the fitting. Connect the leads from the electrofusion control unit to the secondary closures. Note the weld time shown on the fitting and weld these joints. Enter the weld time using the up and down buttons. Press the green button to proceed. Durapipe manufactures both manual and barcode electrofusion units. The barcode machines have a light pen which the operator uses to input the necessary data. At the end of the weld cycle, the indicator pins will have risen. After the cooling time, as shown on the fitting, insert the mushroom caps to prevent an accidental repeat of the weld process.